Hi everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to go through the deadline tracker notion template, tool that help you stay on top of your project's task without feeling overwhelmed. Imagine if you were struggling with keep up the deadlines, then or missing the important project dates, then this template is made for you. In this video, we'll walk through what's inside this template and how each section can be help you, and tips on how to get the most out of it to manage your workload better. So let's get started by taking a quick look at what's inside. So in the home page, as you can see in the home page, the template has three main sections: the assistant column called Layla, dashboards column, and page view column. Inside the assistant column, there is Layla. I just said the word Layla a moment ago. Layla is something I added, like I named her Layla. If you want, you can change it. Layla here is a daily helper that shows the number of tasks and projects that need your attention and currently working on. It tell you if you have any projects overdue and projects overdue and tasks that need your attention, and task you have to complete today, and the tasks that are priorities or delegated. It's like an personal assistant, and that keeps you on the loop. Next, we have the dashboards column. Inside the dashboards column, there is dashboard page, quick capture page, page, and feedback form. Okay, first of all, there is dashboard page, which gives you an overview of all the current important projects and tasks, and also there's quick links. After that, there is quick capture page. Quick capture page is to jot down new ideas or a quick task that pop up in your day. After that, there is process page, which is a method that which is a format that used in EM Fox method. First of all, there is only inbox task. You can arrange them with urgent and important. If you check this both urgent and important, you can see it as the do first. And if you just remove that only to important, then you can see that in scheduled. And when we move that both in from important to urgent, then you can see it here delegate. And if we just remove them in both unchecked, then go to the delete section where you can there is nothing using nothing like where they or like nothing useful useless project task, I would say. Okay, after that there is the feedback page, form page, where we can send this form to your clients or uh, team members to answer them, like about the getting feedback from of your projects. And it's a collection of collecting resources, actually, like feedbacks, actually, like satisfaction rate and areas need improvement and so on, so on. Okay, after that we already finished the dashboards column. Now we are go to the basic view column. Inside the basic view column, there is task manager, project hub, response, and archived. In task manager, where you can see all the tasks, set deadlines, and prioritize them easily. They have time-based view and EM view and special view, and also there is this month's calendar view. And there is project hub. We already talk. Yeah, we just simply talk about that. What is project hub page? Project hub page, there is divided into two main columns, like the projects view and task calendar. Set the project view, there is a project that not started, in progress, on hold, and done, and also achieved. And you can also see the tasks that are linked to the projects. For that, there is response page. Response page is to record client and team member feedback. The form that filled in the form that filled in this page go to this response page. After that, there's archived page. Archive page is to keep completed project out of your main view, but easily accessible. You can see the completed task, projects achieved, and feedback achieved. Okay, that's it. So how to use the template? Using this template is easy. Start your day by checking the assistant column to see what's the task and projects that need your attention. And then after that, head off to the task manager and update or add new tasks based on time or em view or special view. After that, if you're working on a big projects, then I suggest you to go to the project hub to set up project details and also adding a buffer time. Buffer time is so helpful if you have a insane client, so add that feature especially for that. I'll show you what's buffer time. Okay, if its buffer time is calculated based on the pressure level. If it's high pressure, then you can see the difference in dead end and buffer time. Okay, if it's medium, then let's change that to like this. Then you see the difference. 70 days, 5, 15, 16, 17, 2 days difference. Okay, and we move to high, then you can see that to move to 16. Okay, you can see 4 days difference. That's a buffer day works. With this deadline tracker notion template, you get an easy overview of your task and projects, alerts for deadline and priority tracking, and a way to manage everything in one place and keep improving with feedbacks. Thanks for sticking with me. If this sounds like something you need to manage your deadlines or stay stress free, then check out the link in description to get the template. It's totally free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more productive tips. Until next time, happy planning. Thank you.